Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nome Fernandez and I'm a professional forex trader. So, today what I have to show you is quite simple. My trade supports and resistance, supply and demand zone. Most of the time I look at my 4 hours or daily time frame to get my key zones levels, which you can see that are marked in red and green. So all I do is go back to my 1 hour to look for my entry, and from this chart right here you will see what I've just done. It's quite simple. I saw price going up. I was looking at it like a form of an uptrend, and I decided to wait. In this business, patience is key. So what I did, my initial plan was to take a buy trade. Then I began to monitor my trade. From the lines you are seeing that I drew coming down all the way to my demand zone, liquidity areas where I wanted price to clear. I saw the price coming down. It took the first liquidity, as you can see from the line I drew, which is the coming down to this level. That's where I have my green line, which is my key zone of a support area. And I saw this candle like an hammer, and I said this is the opportunity for me to get into this market. This trade was taken on the 21st, and as you can see, the trade flew all the way to the next supply zone, and I was able to catch a 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 risk to reward. So this is a very lovely trade for me, and I like it so much. So what I did next was to wait for this zone to be taken. Hold on, I'm just trying to move my tablet a little so you can see what happened here. Sorry, I need to come back to this. No guys, all these tablet things is, sorry guys, trying to load back my charts for you to see what I did on my next trade that I took. The network is a bit slow here, but it will load. I'll just be patient and see what happened. I'll be patient. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, so I need to go to USD card, which is the trade I took. It's a bit still loading. Okay, so this is a USD card. Okay, we are there. So what I did in this, my second trade, was a little bit of patience, and it was a fantastic one. I saw this charts. I saw price coming down. If you watch, you see the mark, you see my markup. So I saw price coming here, and I waited, and I saw this liquidity. So I waited for the liquidity to be taken. Immediately I saw this, I entered my sell trade, and as you can see, take profit smashed. I wanted to do a trailing stop, but because it was already weekend, I just decided to close my trade from that level that you can see. So that is how I trade on a daily basis. Another good advice for all traders: you should not use more than 1% of your account, and also you should aim at least 1:2 reward ratio. Sometimes I do 1:4, but the minimum is 1:2. At least with that you can be able to grow your account. So that is how I take my trade. On my next video, once I see a setup again, I will come up with another video. And I want to say thank you guys for dropping by and checking my channels. In the near future, I will try as much as possible to see how I can give signals, but for now I'm not giving signals. But I believe from what you are seeing on the screen, you can be able to learn one or two strategy in taking your trades. So thank you guys, and have a good day. Cheers.